Insert 3 knobs into firebox body. Open the right leg. Lock the buckle plate. Open the left leg, lock the buckle plate. Insert wheel axle through wheel and right legs. Place R-pin onto wheel axle. Loosen the pre-assembly 2 screws with 0.2 inch of thread exposed. Hang side shelf on 2 screws. Tighten pre-installed screws. Insert 2 screws to mount gas cylinder hook. Snap small bar at right side. Thread thumb screw at left side. Mount baffle of cylinder by using the 2 screws. Buckle the strap. Mount hood handle. Use 2 screws. Mount hinge assembly. Use 8 screws. Open the hood. Mount cooking griddle and grease drawer assembly. Assembly is complete. Portable handing. Remove the thumb screw. Remove small bar. Unlock the buckle plate. Continue supporting weighted griddle and fold the left leg as shown. Remove R-pin. Remove wheels and wheel axle. Unlock the buckle plate. Fold the right leg. Tie the hood with strap. Insert wheel axle through wheel and then leg. Place R-pin onto wheel axle. Put small part into this plate. Hang it on the 2 screws. Portable and ready to move.